I continue on the lesson review. So multiplication for fractions, we don't need this common denominator. All we have to do is we have to go to from mixed fraction we have to go to improper fraction, and then we multiply top, multiply bottom, simplify if we can, and then we continue. So it's 1/5 times 7 times 8 plus 5 divided by 8 or over 8, which is 1/5 times 61/8, which is 61/40. How many 40 I have? 1. How many is left? 21 divided by 40, so over 40. What is next? So the next one is this one. So I have two negative numbers. I can just say the answer is positive. So it is 2 times 4 plus 3/4. I show it for one of them. The other one is minus 3/2. The other one is minus 7/3, which is, I have to check something. Yes, which is 11/4, okay, times 3/2 times 7/3. I don't need to write negative because it's positive, or I can say negative at the end. I say positive, so it is 11 times 3 times 7 divided by 4 times 2 times 3. If I can, I make it simple for myself. So when I see two negatives, so the result is positive, so I don't carry them. Then this and this cancel, so the result is 77/8. How many 8 I have? 9. And what is left? 5. Okay, so now I continue here. 2/5, so I do 2 times, I need equal for each line. 2 times 5 plus 2/5 times 15/12. I don't need to show for all of them, all the steps. 12/5 times 15/12, which is, yes, can I cancel this and that? Yes, can I cancel this and that? And the result is 3, so it's 3 then. Okay, so 2/3, so it is 2 times 3 plus 2, so it is 2 times 3 plus 2 divided by 3 times 21/16, which is 8/3 multiple 21/16. Can I cancel? Yes, this and this 2 is left, this and this 7 is left, so the answer is 7/2, which is 3 1/2. Okay, 3 complete 1/2. So how about next one here? So I do equal, so it is 5/2, so it's 2 times 2 plus 1/2, okay, and 11/6 and minus 13/6, which is 5/2, 11/6 minus 13/6. Okay, so can I, okay, so can I just say it's negative? Yes, because I have one negative, so yes, it's negative. And then I do 5 times 11 times 13 divided by 2 times 6 times 6, which is going to be 55 times 13, which is 700, and so 15 negative and 72. And how many I have? So it's, so minus 9. And what is left? So 67. So minus 9, 67 divided by 72. And I can't divide, so I can't. So both of them are not divisible by 2. Just one of them is. Both of them are not divisible by 3. Just one of them is. And none of them are divisible by 5. Okay, so I continue to check several numbers and I see I cannot simplify. Okay. So, okay. So how about this one? I need equal. It is negative. Yes, it is. So it is minus 2 times 2 plus 1 over 2 times 10 over 3 times 3 over 4, which is one negative I have, so the answer is minus. So it's minus 5 over 2 times 10 over 3 and times 3 over 4. Okay, can I cancel? Okay, so I can say minus, so I can use minus 5 times 10 times 3 divided by 2 times this, multiple that. Okay, so can I cancel here? Yes, so here I can cancel this and that. So, or maybe with the other one, which is 2 here, to make it easier. So that's 5. And I can cancel this and that. What is left? This one and this one and this one and this one. So the answer is minus 25 over 4, which is minus 6, 1 over 4. Okay. So now I continue here. Yes. Okay, so the next one, I have 4 times 3 plus 1 over 4 over 3 times 23 over 3, if I'm right. Yeah, so it is 13 over 3 times 23 over 3, which is 299. It's 299 over 9. I cannot simplify. So how many 9 I have? 33 9 I have here. So it's that minus this. So it's 2 over 9 left. 2 is left. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay. So negative or positive, because I just have one negative, the answer is negative. So I can just do it at the end. So it's 3 times 4 plus 1 over 4 times 10 over 3 and times minus 13 over 6, which is 13 over 4, 10 over 4, sorry, 10 over 3 and minus 13 over 6. Okay, negative or positive, minus, can I simplify? So 13 multiple 10 multiple 13 over 4 times 3 times 6. And I can make it simplified, so I can do 5 and I can do 3 here. I don't think I can continue to cancel, so it's minus 845 divided by 36. How many 36 I have there? 23. 23. And what is left? So it's this. So 845 minus 23 times 36, which is 17. So 17 over 36. Okay. So I continue here. So the next lesson is division. For division, we just have to do one more step when we compare it with multiplication. Before I show you the step, I have to talk about the reciprocal. Reciprocal of a number is when you flip it. What is reciprocal of that? Reciprocal of 3/5. Flip and turn over the fraction. Okay, so it's 5/3. What is reciprocal of b? If you see mixed fraction first, so reciprocal of, for this one, reciprocal of 1 7/8 is not 1 8/7. That's another mistake I see sometimes. Okay, so reciprocal of 1 7/8 is, you have to change the number to improper. So it's reciprocal 15/8, which is 8/15. Okay, how about the other one? Okay, I don't see any fraction. It doesn't matter. When I don't see, means over 1. Okay, so what is reciprocal of 42/1 is 1/42. So when you don't see any fraction, means the denominator is 1. So just leave 1 and then flip it. Okay, so what is the reason I need to know that? Because for division, it says we need reciprocal. Okay, so how do I do divisions? First of all, no least common denominator. You don't need to make denominators the same. Second, change mixed fraction to improper. Change whole numbers to fractions. Okay, so I taught you just different way, so it doesn't matter. You can do that way, you can do this way. So if you see a whole number, just write over 1 and then that's a fraction. The fraction you see after division sign must change to reciprocal. And then you change division to multiplication. You change division to multiplication. So if you see 3 division, you have to flip 3 ones. But remember, you don't flip the one before division, just after. Then you have multiplication and you know what to do for multiplication. So I don't need to explain again. Equal 2/5 multiple 4/3. So for this one I change the color because I want to say you do this. And then the answer is 20/15 and the answer is 1 5. Oh, sorry, what's the reason I said 20? I'm not sure. So it's 8, because I was thinking then I can cancel. 8/15 is the answer. Done. Okay, so 8/15 is the answer. How about the next one? The next one, equal, do I see any mix? No. Do I see any whole numbers? No. So it's just 5/6 multiple, maybe I use this one here, 8/7. And this I cancel 3 and 4, and then I cannot simplify, so it's 20/21 and done. How about next? I see this. So it is 3 times 5/2, which I told you, you can say it is 3 times the top, not bottom, not both. But you can also do this 3 divided by 3 over 1, 5 over 2, and then you know 15 over 2, and then you know 7, 1 over 2. Done. What about next? So it's 5 over 7 divided by 4 over 1, which is 5 over 7 multiple 1 over 4, which is 5 over 28. Yeah. Practice. Equal 4 over 9 multiple 3 over 2. And remember, then I simplify. So don't simplify from top and bottom at the beginning, because you have to flip them. You change their position. So it is then this is this one and this one, and the answer is, oh, I can cancel 4 and 2 as well, and the answer is 2 over 3. Done. Yeah. How about next one? I have 2 division sign, doesn't matter. I have to flip both of them. So equal 7 over 10 times 5 over 3 times 2 over 49, negative 49. But negative top, negative bottom, if you just have one, the answer is negative then. So it is minus 7 times 5 times 2 divided by 10 times 3 times 49, which is, can I cancel? Can I cancel this? What is left then? So just this and this and this. So the answer is minus 1 over 27. When you have nothing from top, you have to just write 1. And 3 times 7 is 21. Sorry. It's great.